Your ability to edit depends on your AIPRM plan. If you're on the free, plus, or pro plans, you can only edit prompts that you created. If you're on the elite plan or higher, you can do a lot more. You can clone a public prompt and then edit any field you want. First, let me show you how to edit a prompt that you created. So you log into ChatGPT and select the Own tab. Locate a prompt and click the pencil icon. The prompt template opens. Update any field you want, and then click Save Prompt. Let me show you how to edit a public prompt. Now remember, this feature is limited to users with an elite plan or higher. It's a two-step process using a tool called forking, which really means cloning. Click the Public tab and locate a public prompt that you want to edit. Select the prompt and click the icon. Scroll down to the bottom of the template and click the Fork button. AIPRM creates a copy and displays the cloned template. Enter your name in the Author Name field and click Save Prompt. Click the Own tab. You can see the newly cloned prompt. Click the pencil icon to edit the template. That's it. Now you know how to edit a prompt template.